Hey, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. This is the second video for this week. Good to see you again. Let's go ahead and we're going to start off by going through the rest of our phonogram cards. Okay, so here we go. I-G-H, I, W-A, wa, eind. Remember, if we have three of these, okay, we can just say this, eind. L-L-O, floss rule. Ild, FF, floss rule. Old, so he fly, open vowel, open syllable. SS, floss rule. AL, all. Ost, ol. Oh, now we're to our suffixes. We're on the blue cards now. Suffix LESS, less. Suffix EST, est. Suffix EN, in. Suffix ER, Suffix ED, three sounds. Ed, d, t. Suffix ING, ing. Suffix ISH, ish. Suffix FUL, full. Suffix S, s. Suffix LY, lee. Suffix ES, es. Suffix NESS, ness. Suffix YE. And this is prefix A, And then we have our final stable syllables. And all we have to do is say what this final stable syllable would say. Gull, dull, cull, full, bull, pull, zul, tull, cull, and there we go. Okay, so we'll send that away. And now we're to our words, okay, on the yellow cards that follow our trigraph IGH rule. Let's go through these quickly. Fight, light, lightning, bright, fright, night, might, sigh, sight, right. All right. Okay, now we are ready to get started on a brand new sound or a brand new letter team. And our vowel letter team that we're going to start learning about is IE. IE has two sounds. We're going to study one of them first. The one that's used most often when we pronounce words would be the IE saying the long I sound. That's why there's a macron above the I right there. Okay, so our keyword for this would be pie, or kind of like I like to call it, our brain spark word. Okay, so IE, I as in pie. All right, now we're going to start off and we're going to listen, okay, to some sounds in some words, okay? So when I say a word, I want you to echo it and then count the sounds with me, okay? So our first word is pie. How many sounds do you hear? P, I. Two sounds, but three letters. It's because we have this team right here making that one sound. Let's go to the next one. Tie. T, I. Two sounds again. This letter team is making the one sound together. So you get the idea of what we're going to be doing here. All right. We have the IE, keyword pie, and IE. One of the ways that we say the sound for this is I, and we'll learn another way later. All right, so I need for you to make sure that you have your color tiles right now. So if you need to pause the video, go grab your color tiles, come right back, and we're going to get started. Okay, so everybody has their color tiles ready. We're going to remind ourselves about what the different colors are. Green, are for your vowels, and some of you have blue tiles and some of you have red tiles. Those are consonant colors. So always the green will be our vowel sound. Now, simple. I know you're going to know these words, but we're going to go through them anyway. Okay. So if we had to spell the word pie with our color tiles, do that. Okay. So first sound P. It's going to be a consonant sound. And then I. Pie. Look like this. Okay. Replace your tiles. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Tie. Sound it out. T, I. Use this one. T, I. Tie. All right. Let's do it a little bit differently. Don't replace your tiles, but let's change tie into die. How would we do that? Okay, we just tap it out, bring it back. Okay. Let's change die to lie. What would we do here? Take it, tap it out, bring it back. Simple as that. Okay, let's change lie to phi. And yes, that's a real word. What would we do? Take our consonant sound, tap it out, and bring it back because it's a different sound. All right. And that phi would be like, have you heard of the, like the giant in Jack and the Beanstalk? He says fee, fi, fo, fum. Well, that would be this word phi. Okay. So kind of weird, right? Now, you had a pack of papers that were sent home with you. I'd like for you to grab that set of papers, and let me grab it. Whoop, I get to see my screen there with my son Hunter. Okay, so let me grab that set of papers, and give me just a second. All right, the paper looks like this. Okay, it'll be page 104. I'll write this up here. 10, ooh, that doesn't look very good. There we go. 104 is the page that you're going to be getting. It looks like this. This would be the first page of the packet. And there are, let me count my packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 pages in that packet, and I had sent them home with you. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do, now that you have your packet, is we're going to go through these words. Now we're going to be traveling across to do our words this time. So, and you're going to see what's happening as we go across. So we're going to start here. Pie, tie, lie, die. Okay. Next line. Let's do these together. Try, tries, tried. Something happened there, didn't it? Fly, flies. Something's happening there when we're changing and adding a suffix, doesn't it? Let's go across. Let's do our next line together. Cry, cries, cried. Next line. Fry, fries, fried. Next. Dry, dries, dried, dryer. Next line, sky, skies. And our final line, spy, spies. All of these words are pronounced using the IE saying I. Okay. Now, the next page of your packet would be page 105. Let me write that over here since my page number is not showing. 105. On this next page, these are the sight words we've been working on all through level 4. I'd like for you to take and read these sight words to somebody, and I want you to go as quickly as you can. Okay? Once you've said them once, you might even get somebody to time you. See how fast you can get. Maybe do it 2 more times to see if you can pick up your speed. These are commonly used words. A lot of them are anyway, but they are the words that we had on our red cards. And that would help you to get used to seeing the different spelling of these words that don't follow any rules. Okay, so that'd be something that I'd like for you to do. This page and the page before it are not pages that I'd like for you to return to me though. Okay? So you keep those at home. Okay, now in a different pack of papers, you have this page right here. It's going to have IE, and it's the word find page that we like doing. Okay, so get that out, find that, and once you do, I want you to pause the video, and I want you to quickly circle and say all of these words, or you can highlight them or you can underline them, it doesn't matter, but find all of the IE words that say I on this page. So pause the video, find those, and then come right back and we'll check to see if you found them all. All right, now that you're done, take a look. Did you figure out all of the words that were on this page? Okay, let's go through these quickly and we're going to say them. We're going to go down this side and circle back up this side. So here we go. Tried, lie, fries, fried, cried, dryer, skies, spies, dies, tie, dried, flies, pie. Okay, simple words, but they do have an important rule that we're studying, correct? All right. Now, on this page, you're going to need a piece of notebook paper, like I have a piece of notebook paper here. And you're going to need a pencil. So if you don't have those supplies right now, go grab a piece of notebook paper and a pencil and then come right back. Now, we're going to look at the IE being used to help a suffix for right now. So let me grab a pen. Okay, so if I had the word try, and I wanted to add the suffix ed to this word, I'm going to get a little fatter pen for this so it's easier to see. And I wanted to add ed. Well, we have a rule. We don't just attach the ed to a word that ends in y. At least usually we don't. Okay. What we have to do is we take that word, we drop the y, replace it with an I, and then add ed to the end. When you do that, we now have that vowel team IE sitting in the middle there. Okay, so that's if we were to add the suffix ed. So I'm going to write ed above this line. Box that like we would if we were coding it, we would box the suffix. Now, if we wanted to add the suffix s to the end of a word, if we're going to add it to the end of a word that ends in y, we're going to do that same thing. We're going to take the word try and we drop the y and add I, and then es. So I guess we were actually putting the suffix es instead of s. My mistake, sorry about that. Okay, but we do have that vowel team in there again saying I, tries. Okay, so let's look at that on the word cry. Okay, well actually what we're going to do now is we will pick back up here tomorrow. So when you start the video for tomorrow, make sure that you have this page right here, your notebook paper page, and a pencil. And so when we start this video, we'll start right here and continue on our notebook page looking at adding suffixes with the IE that we're studying right now. All right. Well, it's good to see you again today. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow on video 3. Bye-bye.